What's up, guys? So it's now Friday at like 5 o'clock. I decided to run over to Cody's this morning to help him get his spark plugs done. Finished mine last night. It wasn't that hard. Just kind of had to move this main harness out of the way, and then you could kind of get right to all of them. All we got left now, Cody already did his oil change and his oil filter. We got to do an oil change on this bad boy. We got to drive our cars up onto the trailer. We went and got our U-Haul trailer already. So, yeah, we drive it up on the trailer, and I think we're going to install our intakes on the trailer because I don't think we're able to start the car to pull it up on the trailer once we have the intake on. And I don't want to put it all together and then find out that I can't and be upset about it because we're already running late. So we're hoping to leave soon. Pretty much finished up. Gonna back her out, do an oil change real quick. I put these eyelids on here, and we gotta put our toe strap. This thing's gonna go like right about here. So I think it'll look like a little tongue. I think it should be pretty cool. I think I gotta mess around with the wiring for my wideband a little bit. When I push my pedal in, I feel like I can feel the wires there. I don't want to necessarily be stomping on those wires, so I'm going to tuck them down under the carpet. And I think that's it, man. I think we're ready to go. So I'll give you guys an update once we get this oil changed and get the cars on the trailer. So sorry you guys haven't been able to see a whole lot of what we've been doing. I kind of just tell you and then go do it. But I've been kind of giving you guys a time frame, so we had roughly 3 or 4 days to get this whole car together. I didn't get everything I wanted to get done. I still got to go check my diff bushings, and I also wanted to get some new tires because these bad boys are about clapped, but it's alright. We'll get tires when we get back. Shouldn't affect the tune or anything. So yeah, just got to throw this all back together, and then we'll be headed to Fort Lauderdale for Tune Day. What? Alright, so it's update time. Got the car all put back together. Got my oil change done. But we realized we're not going to be able to make it up on a U-Haul with the bumper on. So we took the bumper off. What? Cody didn't. He scraped and messed up one of his wheels. I'm mad.
We're all having problems today.
JD's window just broke right as we're about to leave, and his door handle. But it's alright. We'll be okay. We're getting along. We just got to finish packing up. I'm going to check my oil levels. Maybe have to add a little bit more. Not too sure. But we should be right about ready to head out here in a minute. What? I thought the car looked kind of sick. No bumper line. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put the bumper back on before we dyno or not, but yeah, we got her ripping. Cody's on the trailer over here. What? JD's rolling with us. So yeah, we're pretty much about ready to rip. So I appreciate you guys tuning in for us preparing to get tuned. I know it was a little hectic. It wasn't that crazy, but at least, you know, you guys got to come along with me on this hectic journey of getting my car ready for tune. We pretty much, other than the exhaust, we pretty much went full bolt-ons. We still have our intake to do. I'm going to do that either once it's on the trailer here or in the morning when we head to go tune. So we'll figure it out. But I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll be back with another episode tomorrow of getting our car tuned by Admin Tuning. What?